Teaching tip from a math teacher. When explaining, pretend there's a wall between you and your students. Here's what I mean. Now, I don't mean this completely literally. I think it's important to look at your students because they give you hints on if they're getting it. But if you pretend that there's a wall between you and your students, your explanations need to be way more descriptive and way more precise. Now, there are a lot of benefits to this. In my classroom, I can guarantee that not everyone is going to look at me at the board the entire time. So when I'm being more descriptive in my explanations, more people can follow along. And also, it helps build mathematical vocabulary. And one more thing, for me, it helps me understand my weak spots. Do I actually understand what's happening? Now, let's put this idea in action. I'm going to solve the same linear equation 2 times, and you're going to tell me which explanation you like more. And for both of these, I'm going to cover the camera and see if you can follow along. So here's explanation A. I'm going to do this on both sides. Then I'm going to do this. Then do this on both sides. And I get this as our answer. And this is what I wrote down. Now here's explanation B. We have the linear equation 2x minus 4 equals 8. Our goal is to solve for x, and one way we can start is by adding 4 on both sides. When we do that, on the left we have 2x, and on the right we have 8 plus 4, which equals 12. So we have 2x equals 12. Now remember, our goal is to solve for x, so let's divide both sides by 2. On the left, 2x divided by 2 is x, and on the right we have 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So we see that x equals 6. And this is what I wrote for explanation B. Same thing as explanation A. So which explanation did you like more? I know a lot of you would say the second explanation, because that explanation was much more descriptive. And when we're more descriptive in our explanations, that can help interpreters, and that will make your captions better. Now, I'm extremely grateful that some people on here have commented that I explain things well. And honestly, I think it's because I think about this statement all the time. When I pretend that there's a wall between us, I have to be more descriptive and more precise.